In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out what Wix template a website is using in 2025. Whether you're curious about a sleek design you stumbled upon or considering which template might best fit your needs, determining the template behind a captivating Wix website can sometimes feel like solving a delightful mystery. We'll break this down into simple steps to help you become a pro in no time. Let's start by examining the website's footer. This is a great initial checkpoint because many Wix-powered sites often display a Wix badge or credit in this part of the page. While this doesn't always reveal the precise template name, it might give you clues regarding the designer or confirm that the website indeed originated from Wix. Consider this a friendly nudge toward uncovering the website's designer roots. It's a bit like identifying the brand behind a chic coat by spotting a telltale logo. Sometimes the answers are right there, hiding in plain sight at the bottom of the page. Now, if you're looking for more detailed information, let's dive into the world of Wix template previews. This approach might need a bit more investigative spirit as it involves some comparison work, but it's pretty straightforward. Head over to the Wix templates page, which you'll find at w.wix.com/website/templates. Here, you'll discover a wide variety of options neatly categorized under labels like business, portfolio, blog, and many more. Browsing through these categories can really inspire your own creative journey as well. While exploring, keep an eye out for any template that seems to mirror the layout, design choices, and features of the site that piqued your interest. However, a quick note of reality to set expectations: Wix templates can be customized extensively. This means that the exact template might not perfectly align with what you see on the original website. Variations will occur because owners often infuse their personal touches to achieve their unique vision, which is part of the magic and flexibility offered by Wix. To recap, your best bets are beginning with a glance at the website footer, then immersing yourself in the rich library of Wix's template offerings. Remember, patience is key here. It may take some time to navigate through these creative waters and draw parallels, but don't lose heart. Exploration can be its own reward, often leading to surprising discoveries and newfound inspiration for your own projects. So there you have it, the tools and knowledge to unveil the template behind any fascinating Wix website you encounter. Dive into the world of websites with confidence, explore different designs, and who knows, you might just find the perfect template that resonates with your vision.